everybody, this is Agnestin. I am studying 4th class. Now I am telling you a small story. Please listen, guys. The story name is The Stupid Cat. A long time ago, there lived a small cat in an old house. One day, she was getting bored at her home and she decided to shift to her new house. So she left her old house and entered into her new house. When she entered, she saw a box of tools and she opened it. She saw a sharp knife there and she took out the knife and started licking with her tongue. Due to this, her tongue was cut into 2 pieces. Moral: don't use anything without knowing about it. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share. Friends, hi friends, now let me introduce you list of verbs. We have now V1, V2 and V3. First verb is race. Race, raced and raced. Second verb is rain. Rain, rained, rained. Rain means, example, today is raining, yesterday rained. Third verb is reach. Reach, reached and reached. Reached means I reached to my house, I reached my school. The fourth verb is read. Read, read and read. Read means someone is reading book or newspaper. I am reading my book. My brother is reading a newspaper. The fifth verb is realize. Realize, realized and realized. Realize means someone think about their mistake. Example, I realized my mistake. She realized her mistake. Next verb is rebuild. Rebuild, rebuilt, rebuilt. Rebuilt means a house was rebuilding again. Example, my house is rebuilding, and as well as my aunt is also rebuilding her house. The next verb is recall. Recall, recalled and recalled. Last verb is receive. Receive, received and received. Receive means I received my exam paper from my teacher. I received a paper from my boss. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.